Inspired by nature, researchers at Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, PNNL, along with collaborators from Washington State University, created a novel material capable of capturing light energy. This material provides a highly efficient artificial light harvesting system with potential applications in photovoltaics and bioimaging. The research provides a foundation for overcoming the difficult challenges involved in the creation of hierarchical functional organic-inorganic hybrid materials. Nature provides beautiful examples of hierarchically structured hybrid materials such as bones and teeth. These materials typically showcase a precise atomic arrangement that allows them to achieve many exceptional properties, such as increased strength and toughness. PNNL materials scientist Chun-Long Chen, corresponding author of this study, and his collaborators created a new material that reflects the structural and functional complexity of natural hybrid materials. This material combines the programmability of a protein-like synthetic molecule with the complexity of a silicate-based nanocluster to create a new class of highly robust nanocrystals. They then programmed this 2D hybrid material to create a highly efficient artificial light harvesting system. "The sun is the most important energy source we have," said Chen. "We wanted to see if we could program our hybrid nanocrystals to harvest light energy, much like natural plants and photosynthetic bacteria can, while achieving a high robustness and processibility seen in synthetic systems." The results of this study were published May 14, 2021, in Science Add. Big dreams, tiny crystals. Though these types of hierarchically structured materials are exceptionally difficult to create, Chen's multidisciplinary team of scientists combined their expert knowledge to synthesize a sequence-defined molecule capable of forming such an arrangement. The researchers created an altered protein-like structure, called a peptoid, and attached a precise silicate-based cage-like structure, abbreviated POSS, to one end of it. They then found that, under the right conditions, they could induce these molecules to self-assemble into perfectly shaped crystals of 2D nanosheets. This created another layer of cell membrane-like complexity similar to that seen in natural hierarchical structures while retaining the high stability and enhanced mechanical properties of the individual molecules. "As a materials scientist, nature provides me with a lot of inspiration," said Chen. "Whenever I want to design a molecule to do something specific, such as act as a drug delivery vehicle, I can almost always find a natural example to model my designs after." Designing bio-inspired materials. Once the team successfully created these POSS-peptoid nanocrystals and demonstrated their They programmed the material to include special functional groups at specific locations and intermolecular distances. Because these nanocrystals combine the strength and stability of POSS with the variability of the peptoid building block, the programming possibilities were endless. Once again looking to nature for inspiration, the scientists created a system that could capture light energy much in the way pigments found in plants do. They added pairs of special donor molecules and cage-like structures that could bind an acceptor molecule at precise locations within the nanocrystal. The donor molecules absorb light at a specific wavelength and transfer the light energy to the acceptor molecules. The acceptor molecules then emit light at a different wavelength. This newly created system displayed an energy transfer efficiency of over 96%, making it one of the most efficient aqueous light harvesting systems of its kind reported thus far. Demonstrating the uses of POSS-peptoids for light harvesting. To showcase the use of this system, the researchers then inserted the nanocrystals into live human cells as a biocompatible probe for live cell imaging. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more updates.